The next step after purchasing web hosting is going to be to set up your free SSL certificate. Now, this is going to be the last thing that we do on the web hosting side of things. Then we're going to move over to WordPress and we're just going to stay there and forget that web hosting ever happened. That's the reason I always have such a hard time showing it. It's because I spend so little time there, once every year buying a website. The SSL certificate is going to give you the ability to have your website be an HTTPS:// instead of an HTTP. If you've ever seen you go to those websites and it says not secured, that's because it doesn't have an SSL certificate. It's not going to HTTPS://. So to get that little S in there, we're going to apply a certificate. Now, do you need an SSL certificate for a blog? Probably not. You definitely need it if you're setting up an e-commerce site. You need to have a secure site. But we're just going to make people feel comfortable that our blog is secure since we're getting this free SSL, at least until next year when we've got to pay $15 a year for it. So let's jump back over to our Ionis web hosting interface and set up SSL. Here we are where we left off, and I just want to make sure that we can make it back here again if we ever get lost. And if I click on home, it's going to take me to this home screen. So this is the home of everything. And from here, we click on domains and SSL, and that'll take us back to where we are. So that's how to make it to this place if you ever get lost. Click home and then click on domains and SSL. Now you notice we have the domain set up here, my WordPress sample. And over here on the right, we have things that we have available. We have the domains we've used, and we have one SSL certificate. We have one, and we've got 0 of them used. So we're going to go use our one free SSL certificate by clicking on Manage to the right of it. And it's an SSL wildcard. And the actions that we want to perform is set up SSL certificate. It is a wildcard. Activate now. Now we can buy other types. I don't understand the difference between different SSL certificates. I just go with what's free. Enter a domain. We're going to go with my WordPress website. Change usage. Will automatically be installed. Okay, that's exactly what we would need. So set up. Read the terms and acknowledge them. Oh, I didn't click this box. Operation successfully completed. So we now have SSL set up on this website. In fact, I should be able to go now to https://www.mywordpresssample.com. And sure enough, here it kind of is. It looks like it kind of made it there, but of course we don't have a website set up yet, which is what we're going to do in the next lecture. So that was it for setting up the SSL certificate. You now have a hosting, you've got a domain name pointing to your site, you've got an SSL certificate, you got domain privacy, and you're ready to install and set up WordPress. In the next lecture, we're going to install WordPress on your new website. I'll see you there.